Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose different notification sounds for different apps. Now go ahead and open settings. Now tap on notifications, app notifications. Now choose an app you want to set sound for. I'll select Facebook. Now tap on notification categories. Now select which sound you want to change. Let's change the comment sound. Now tap on sound. Now choose a tone. That's it. Now go back. Choose another app. Let's see Instagram. Notification categories. Alerts. It is silent, but I'll choose a sound, and that's it. You can do it to any app. Now if this video was helpful, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel.